So if you guys have a VR30DDTT, this video is for you. This is how to adjust a wastegate actuator on the turbos. This happens to be the Z1 upgraded turbos, so the larger frame turbos for the VR. So we're gonna give you a little how-to. Things you're gonna need are a DC power supply. I made a little jumper harness. It's got grounds, 5 volts, and then a 5-volt output, so you can actually measure it. And you're gonna need a multimeter. So give me one second.
Good multimeter. Disregard the mess under here. So basically we have this set up to 4.9 volts. You can do 5 volts. Amperage is supposed to be around 5 amps. So basically what we're gonna do is test this real quick. This is gonna be part 1 of the video, basically how to set everything up, and we're gonna show you how to adjust it. You're gonna hit output. It's outputting 4.9 volts, and you wanna make 4.9 volts. When you get this printout, say from AMS, there is a discrepancy for the wiring connections. It shows 5-volt power supply, ground, power supply, and positive lead. You're going to want to follow this one right here, because on the back side, this printout right here is a little wrong. I'm going to show you real quick of this. So you have your two 5 volts on pin 3 and 6, pin 2 and 4, this back one over here, are your grounds, and then the pin number 1 is your output from the actuator. So you can see that we are doing 5 volts, 1.8 amps, and it is 0.331 volts. Here, this isn't my first rodeo, I'm just showing you guys. Up here, the correct spec is 0.95 volts between that and 1.15 volts. So we have quite some time to move this actuator. So once you have the output on, you have these connected, you're gonna need 1 or 2 10 millimeter wrenches. And then we're just going to, so this is actually, it's too short. So we're going to extend this out. It's gonna be hard. So what I'm gonna do is, all you gotta do is, you're gonna turn this clockwise. So you're tightening the nut, and it's going to bring this actuator rod out a little bit. So after adjusting this nut, both nuts, tightening them down, and adjusting this rod length on the wastegate actuator, these are the final numbers: 5 volts, 1.6 amps. So amps is a little bit lower. It's supposed to be around 2, but we're gonna just leave it here. It's a little finicky. But the final number is 1.002 volts. The ideal is 1 volt plus or minus 0.005 or 0.05. So that is how you adjust your wastegate actuators on a Infinity Q50, Q60, VR30 DDTT. Hope you enjoy the video.